Exactly the person we built this company for is like the solopreneur. What we do is we help people with their bookkeeping for the purpose of doing their taxes. When you do your bookkeeping, that's going to determine a lot of how much you're going to save on your taxes, which is why it's critical to get your bookkeeping done, well. Generally, most of the clients that work with us, we do everything for them, right? We do their bookkeeping, we do their business taxes, and we do their personal taxes. We usually sell it as like a package. We're literally going to take care of everything for you. Trust me, it is nice. That's the reason the reason we created this company. And then the other awesome thing, another bonus that we have, if at any point you want a refund, you are completely entitled to it. There hasn't been one person who's asked for a refund from us that we haven't given it to. That's just the type of company we are. Almost 85% of our clients come back every year. And it's really a blessing when you find someone who's going to do everything for you. So the only thing that we'll need is your bank statements, because all bookkeeping comes directly from your bank statements. That's how the government wants it. We get all the transactions that you made from there. Then we do the work. The only thing you have to do is connect the bank accounts and answer like 10 questions about your business. We go through and we do a first draft of the bookkeeping based on some questions that you answer, and also based on the fact that we do this 400 times a year. So we go through, I like to say we get it about 85% of the way correct. And then we'll send that over to you, and then it's your job to just go fix up that last 15%. So if something's marked business and it should be personal, just let us know, comment on it. You say this should be personal. If something's categorized wrong, you just let us know. And that's it. I like to say it's like the difference between like taking a test and correcting a test. We do all the work. We get everything together. We take the test and you just have to go and correct it. One of the most valuable things that we provide to our clients is the bookkeeping, because that is where you make like 85% of your decisions on what you're going to be able to deduct and what you can't. Not all, but like a ton of your tax decisions are made in the bookkeeping. So the way it works is we have an online portal. You go and you log into the online portal, you connect your bank accounts, and that allows us to download your transactions for the year and like things that you spent money on and your income. And the best thing to do is set up an LLC and then take an S Corp election. An S Corp election just tells the United States government to tax you as an S Corp, which is better than just setting up an S Corp on its own. You want to set up an LLC and take an S Corp election. We can walk you right through that. So if you're an LLC or a sole proprietorship, right, on your profits, and if you just have an LLC, you have to pay an additional 15.3% self-employment tax. That's in addition to all the other tax that you pay. If you're an S Corp, you don't have to pay that. Once we have the bookkeeping done, then we're able to process your taxes, right? So we would be able to go through and process your S Corp. And then from your S Corp, we also do personal taxes as well. From the deductions that we find, we'll save you twice as much as that you pay us. So that's a $3,000 guaranteed tax savings.